Have we lost our minds? You paying $20, $25 for some Kool-Aid pineapples? Are we crazy? I bought a pineapple today from one of y'all stores that calls store with a W-A-L. I ain't saying the red. Bought a pineapple, thought it wasn't gonna be that sweet. I put it in one of my old pickle jars that I cleaned out, empty, right? That's why I got a little ugly stuff on it. Sugar-free. 2 packages of the Jolly Rancher. 1 pack of Kool-Aid. Soaked this for about an hour. Actually been soaking for 2 hours with water. So I used water to fill up the jar. Let's try it. Low carb except for the pineapple, which is the sweetness, right? There's no added sugar. Some of y'all shouldn't be eating all that doggone sugar anyway. But sweetened from the pineapple, from the sugar-free Jolly Rancher. 2 packages. 1 pack of Kool-Aid. Stuff your jar and fill it up with water. Shake it. Put the top on it first. Shake it real good. You can let it sit there for an hour, 2 hours. I don't know. It's going to be sitting there for a few days. I live by myself. This is a dessert. And it's going to be delicious with not any added sugar. Look at that. $20, $25. That is delicious. I'm making my own, folks. Got sugar under control. Only thing sweetening here, well, the fruit is sweet, natural sweetener. Then we got some other sweetener, but hey. But I'm not adding a bunch of sugar. Low carb. Well, I'm not adding sugar. And we ain't paying $20, $25 for a jar of these. Thanks for watching. Make your own. Quit playing with me. Don't play. Look, don't play with the fitness coach. Y'all got me jacked up. Oh, and I used Tropical Punch. There it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make your own Kool-Aid pineapple slices. This was a fresh pineapple. I cut it up, put it in here. Okay? Love you guys. Bye for now. Delicious.